Today, believe it or not, it is the middle of November. It was snow the other week. We were freezing in winter coats, and today we are in shorts and t-shirts. It's gorgeous out. So we thought, what better time to do a quick little video and show you a little bit about our weekend routines. Horse riding and having horses, it's a lot of fun, but it's not all glamorous, is it, Julia? No. What do we got to do on the weekends?
Pick up poo, give the horses hay, wind them, clean their paddocks.
Well, the riding is fun.
Yes, the riding is the only thing that's fun about
it. What is not your favorite thing?
Picking up poop.
Picking up poop in the paddock. What do you normally do? What's your trick? What would you tell people is the trick if you're picking up poop with your older sister? What's a good way to get out of it? Hey? What's a good way? Stop and chat. Or what I caught her doing today was staying on this side of the gator while her sister's on this side and pretending to pick up the same pile of poop for 15 minutes. But then Kate got wise to your ways, didn't she? And she said that spot's good. So if you want to come along, and we'll show you a bit about what we do on the weekends and just our regular routines around the farm. She thinks we're going to take her in. Foxy says, I don't want to go inside. It's too nice out here. See?
Caught one. Okay, caught one.
You caught one.
This is Jack. He's my horse. He's very, very nice.
Yeah. What do you like best about Jack?
He's very nice and slow, and he's nice, and he listens to people who don't really have too much control, like me. Because I can't really reach my legs too far down. So he's good about that.
Yeah, he's a good boy.
But he's sort of a clumsy boy, like me.
No, he's not clumsy.
He's sometimes clumsy.
Oh, I guess he gets scratches and
yes.
cuts on him.
And
who's this?
This is our baby. Her name is Kyla. She's super, super playful.
Yeah.
She just likes to play and play and play. Stay back. You always like to put your nose in the camera, don't you?
Yeah, she wants to. She is inquisitive, this one. She always wants to see what's going on.
She's the one who is very troubled.
She's a bit of a troublemaker, you're right. But I think this is because she's a baby. Okay?
But she's only 1 month old.
1 year, yeah. She's 1 year now. And she's slowly going white. Okay? I wonder what she's going to look like in the spring when the winter coat sheds out.
We got her from our friends.
Yeah.
And we got her from our friend. The other two we got from what we paid for.
Yeah.
These two we got as a Christmas present last year.
from a pretty nice friend, eh?
This is Foxy. She's super kind, but she's super nice. She doesn't do anything, like, you can let her do anything with her, she'll be fine.
Yeah, she's a sweetheart, isn't she?
Yeah. So whenever people come over, like, if they're, like, light, because she has arthritis in one of her legs, so she can't have too much people riding her, so we just put, like, light people on so I can ride her sometimes bareback.
Little boyfriend's coming.
Yeah.
Foxy and Jack.
Yeah.
In love.
Yeah. And then Foxy thinks that Kyla is her baby, but they aren't. It's just...
They came from the same farm and at the same
time. They came from the same farm, and they were the first two that we ever had.
She's a good mom, isn't she?
Yes. Why we need to pick up poo so then they don't get worms and then they get super, super sick.
So, how often do we do this?
Every single week.
Yeah, once a week we go through the paddocks and we make sure that we're picking up all the poop. Plus, it just makes everything smell a lot nicer and look a lot nicer.
Yeah.
It wouldn't look really nice if it was all
we do
poop in here.
Like, not every single week, but normally we do it every single week so then they don't get worms.
Yeah.
Another huge part of our weekends is just tackling different projects that we have on the go. So whether that is finishing up fencing or doing something in the barn, fixing the gardens up, we always have some project each weekend that we're working on.
The other thing that we're working on is this back garden. So there are a ton of gardens at this property and we love gardening, but at some point you just can't keep up with it. So this is what it is, just completely overrun. So I started working on this the other day. It took me several hours and we've weeded this thing so many times, which is why we're just going to reduce it down to one garden in front of the window and grass this out so that things can survive a little bit and hear a little bit better. Weekends aren't all for chores. There is some time for fun, isn't there, Julia? What's Kate doing?
Riding.
Riding. Now that we finally have the arena done. Now, Julia's not riding today. Why? What did we do yesterday that you didn't like so much?
Needles.
Needles. We got our flu shot, so her arm's sore, and then she was picking up manure in the paddock, so she's got to take a bit of a rest, eh? So, no riding Jack today, but this might be our last nice day. Yeah, when our friends come. They're going to come and see the horses, spend some time with us, eh?
Yeah.
Want to catch all our videos of life on the farm? It's easy. Just remember to subscribe, hit like, and the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Barn Boots and Country Roots.